this is an update on the potential pumpkin saga. As you can see, the leaves are spreading, the vines are stretching closer and closer to the tangerine tree. Check out this blossom. Every time you see a blossom, that's a potential pumpkin. Oh, listen to that lovely bird. Small bird, but it's loud. Okay, back to our pumpkin. The June plum tree still thriving. There are lots of June plums on it. And there is where the vines are leading to, getting closer to that tree. That's today's update. And that bird is calling me. We're about to get some rain. And that's our update. Rain's about to begin. Thanks for watching.